A very good morning to all the parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to the online classes of Erudite School of Learning Fatehnagar. Class Junior KG, subject Maths, lecture number 62. So the previous video we have learned the number names of 25. Okay, so now we will do revision of 25 number names of 25. आज हम revision करेंगे number names 25 so that we can start the number names of 26. Okay, now take out your pencil and eraser. Now repeat with me. Okay, 25 25. What number is this? 25 25. Now spelling of 25 is T W E N T Y 20. F I V E 5 25. Again repeat 25 25. Spelling of 25 is T W E N T Y 20. F I V E 5 25. 25 is 25. Again repeat with me. T W E N T Y 20. F I V E 5 25. Again one more time. 25 25. T W E N T Y 20. F I V E 5 25. So today we are done with the revision number names of 25. So now we will start with the number names of 26. Okay, आज हम number names 26 learn करेंगे. Now I want you to repeat with me. आपको मेरे साथ repeat करना है. 26 26. Okay, what number is this? 26 is 26. Now repeat with me. T W E N T Y 20. S I X 6 26. What number is this? 26. Now again repeat. 26 26. T W E N T Y 20. S I X 6 26. Okay, again repeat. What number is this? ये कौन सा number है? 26 26. Now tell me the spelling of 26. T W E N T Y 20 S I X 6 26. Again repeat. 26 26. T W E N T Y 20 S I X 6 26. Very good. See again, write down 2 and then 6. Okay, 26. Spelling of 26 is T W E N T Y 20 S I X 6 26. Again repeat. 26 26. T W E N T Y 20 S I X 6 26. Very good. Write down again. 2 6 26. T W E N T Y 20 S I X 6 26. Repeat again. 2 6 26. T W E N T Y 20 S I X 6 26. Very good. 2 6 is 26. Spelling of 26. T W E N T Y 20 S I X 6. One more time, okay? Now you have learned the number names of 26. What you have to do, you have to learn at home, okay? In your homework, you have to learn the number names of 26. Okay, you have to practice in one page. आपको learn करना है number 26 and then आपको एक page में आपको practice करना है. Okay, you have to practice in one page the number names of 26. Okay, after that you have to click a picture and send it to the school WhatsApp number. Okay, उसके बाद क्या करना है, पिक्चर लेके स्कूल के जो व्हाट्सएप नंबर है आपको उसमें सेंड करना है. ओके, टिल देन you have to practice the number names of 26 so that we can repeat again and then start with another number names. Okay, thank you and have a great day.